Bonjour, today on Travelling Fabulously, it's not such a fabulous day. We lost the heart of Paris. That's right, last night, Monday the 15th of April 2019, at approximately 6:30 p.m, a fire started at Paris's beloved Notre Dame Cathedral. It quickly took hold and destroyed the wooden internal structures known as the forest and the spiral that graced our city's skyline for centuries. Last night, the police advised not to go down to the area, so I decided not to. They had enough on their hands, rather than another blogger come down and film and add to the crowd. So today I went down to the river to join the many hundreds of thousands of people that turned out to see their beloved Notre Dame. The fire has brought hundreds of news crews from France and around the world, and of course the Australian ABC would have to find me in the crowd. Firefighters were still working on the building to check areas and assess the damage, I suppose, this afternoon. Paris firefighters really do an amazing job every day, and this was no exception. So after seeing the cathedral, I decided to walk home and make this video to leave you with the memory of what was there, safe in the knowledge that over €700 million has already been pledged to rebuild Notre Dame. With the bells ringing is Notre Dame. I'm sure the hunchback of Notre Dame, he's safe and sound somewhere in another cathedral until his home is fixed. And when he does, I'll be there to see this wonderful building in Paris restored to its former glory.